let's get to cooking. This is what we're doing today at Memaw's house. Hey y'all, this is what I'm up against. The weather is getting a little bit warmer. Mother's Day will be here soon, and I need to clean my deck. So, come on along with me and let's get this done. I'm going to start at the top by cleaning my ceiling, and I don't like for mold or anything to grow on this ceiling. It is wood. It's painted wood, and it does clean up very nicely with just some regular Walmart bleach bathroom spray. So I just spray it and let it sit. My next step is to go ahead and pull down all the things that are hanging on the walls and hanging out of the ceiling. I want to refresh this room, so this has to come down. Now that that's all done, I'm going to go ahead and get up on my ladder and clean my ceiling fan and light. The pollen is killing me. It's everywhere. Now I'm going to tackle these floors. These leaves are everywhere. Because we live on a lake, we do have a lot of trees on our property. And the leaves just blow in, and I have to just sweep them up. So I'm going to sweep up the leaves, and then I'm going to vacuum the carpet. Okay, I'm going to move my couch in the position it will be in so that I can tackle the rest of that vacuuming and get that completed. Now I'm going to wipe down everything that's left that has pollen on it, which could be just about anything. But I'm going to focus on my screened windows and my shelf. Now that that's all done, let's go ahead and conquer this couch and the rest of our furniture. Now I'm going to vacuum off both sides of all of my cushions and get the covers put on them. I found some cute covers, some covers that actually fit my cushions on Shein. If you know anything about Shein, post it down below in the chat. So I'm going to finish this and get them all arranged. There you go, the couch is all done. Let's tackle the chairs. I guess you noticed that I changed my shirt. I told you the temperature was changing. It's a little warm out here now. Now that we have the furniture all put together, let's go ahead and hang our things on the wall and from the ceiling and wherever else we want to hang them from to decorate our area. I think I'll put some air ferns in these little white containers. That would be real cute. Now I'm just putting out my other decor and I'm almost done. Y'all remember this tray and these items? I bought them at Home Goods, and I'll put the video to that up in the corner so that you can go back and take a look at that if you haven't already seen it. A few more final touches and we'll put some plants out and we'll be all done. So let's get ready to take a look. So that's what my screen porch looks like. This is where I'll spend a lot of time this summer. And let's take a look outside on the deck. Okay, so that's it. The deck and the porch are done. I need to do a little pressure washing, but other than that, we're ready to sit on our deck and enjoy it. Y'all be blessed. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.